Drive it up the hill, Nath. You going up the hill? You alright? You reckon you can make it down? Well, that's one way to get down, I guess. Hey, you're on your wheels. Drive up. Come up this hill. This one's a hard one. Just do little turns. Don't stop. Don't stop. Keep going, keep going. Hey, good job. Come up so you can see where your car is. Come up so you can see where the car is. That's gonna fix hanging.
What am I doing?
There you go.
I want it to start over me.
Hey. Yes, sir. Remember, nice and easy. This one's a tricky hill, it's full of holes, nice and easy. Good job. Yeah, just don't go down that hole over there. Okay?
Don't in here.
No, you can go down there, just don't go near that hole.
What's in there?
Not much, actually. I thought it was bigger.
It's a bigger tunnel.
I thought it was a bigger hole. Ah! Stacked it. Stacked it. Oh, hang on, hang on. Straighten the camera up so we can see where you're going. There you go, go again.
Oh, the hole goes further.
Yeah. It's alright, just drive it, drive it. Wiggle your wheels a little bit when you drive forward, mate. Wiggle, wiggle. See? A little bit of wiggle, wiggle. Help you get over. Don't step on it, mate. You drive it, don't pick it up. You don't pick him up. He's designed to drive. Make sure it's in front of you enough so you can get up too. Okay? Otherwise you'll step on it.